Hey traders, Akil Stokes here of Trading Powered, and usually I wait until the end of the week to throw these videos in my live room weekend review, but I felt as if today was a very powerful and, well, a very educational day in our live room. And I just wanted to share with you guys what my live room clients get to see on a regular basis. And during today's session, I got an interesting comment. One of our traders said that he recently checked out my YouTube page and has watched every video on there. And that made me realize that I never really promote that page. So here it goes right now. Subscribe to my YouTube page. Seriously, if you're into trading, Fibonacci analysis, ratio, structure analysis, harmonics, advanced pattern recognition, all that type of stuff, check it out and see if you like it. There's a little under 80 videos on here, and well, I just remember during my training or during my trading journey at the very beginning, I used to surf the net looking for video after video after video, and it wasn't until I found some quality videos uh, on the internet that I was able to make that next step in my trading career. So check it out. I do ask you this: if you like what you see, share the video with a friend, share the channel with a friend. Just get the word out there, and don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Anyway, here's a look at some of the highlights from today's live room session. And of course, for the full video, check out the weekend review coming every Friday or Saturday. So Wednesday was another fun trading day in the live room. We had a lot of great discussions. As far as trading goes, we lost two, a bat pattern on Euro Yen and a Gartley pattern on Aussie dollar. And we currently still have one in progress right here with Pound Yen. Now the stuff you're seeing here, these are other trades from my personal account, stuff that we brought over to the syndicate. Swiss Yen, bat patterns up 21. Euro CAD is up 52. That was a bat pattern as well, I think. And New Zealand double top actually just had target ones hit today for about 40, probably about 42 pips, and looking to get target twos hit and reverse into a cipher and all that fun stuff. Anyway, if you didn't see it, go ahead and watch the syndicate videos if you're a syndicate member, and I discuss all of that in there. But for today's purposes, the pound yen was one of the last trades that we actually got triggered on, and here's what I like about this trade. It was a true trade where we got to use our Fibonacci and really our structure analysis skills. Now before I get to the range bar chart, I want to show you guys what we saw higher time frame. As soon as we opened up today's live room trading, we already had a bearish bias on the pound yen. Just doing our top-down analysis, we saw the recent breaks of structures and outside returns. And our idea was that, well, pound yen we're looking for a bearish move, a bearish trend continuation move. Now we had to wait. We couldn't quite get it in the beginning right here. We had to wait, but by the end of our day trading session, we actually got to the level of our liking. And here's what we had. If I take, let's start with the big stuff. If I take a Fibonacci retracement from our big swing high right here to our swing low, boom, we're going to get a 382 retracement right in this level, 49.84. If I take a Fibonacci retracement from our intermediate move here, boom, I'm going to get a 618 retracement right at 49.80. You can see our previous structure level right here. I have the red box around there dictating that this is a major structure level. And as we worked our way up, we started using some more of our tools, saying, hey, what if we get a harmonic move? Where's that going to put us? Well, what do you know? Right inside that structure zone as well. What if I take a Fibonacci retracement from this A leg to this B leg and back down? Wow, what do you know? 1618 Fibonacci retracement right at this level as well. We even took a smaller one inside here, if I can remember. I think it was this swing low to this swing high, and right back up. You can see we get another 618 retracement. Basically, we created a massive cluster of Fibonacci ratios and structure, and this is what we deemed our kill zone. And of course, well, all we had to do is wait for the market to get up there, as we did. And now we're running short about 4 pips away from target ones, looking to capture 20-something pips and then ride down to bigger targets on our higher time frames. Now another interesting one was New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar was very similar. I was actually, I just showed you guys this. I was involved in this in a short trade from yesterday, which did very well. There's a cipher pattern that may be completing, but mainly what I saw was this. We had a break in structure right here. We're actually looking to get a long entry at a retest of this DSR level. You can see the market blew right through this level. Now whenever I see break below, close below, I'm thinking trend continuation to that side. So as soon as I saw this, the market bum rushed through here for That's a technical term, by the way, bum rush. I'm thinking we're going to get a retracement back up to this level before the market continues on its bearish ways. Now, same as pound yen. I can take some Fibonacci retracements. I'll start with this swing high to swing low. That's not going to give me much, but it's going to give me a 3D2 at 78.32. I'd rather take this one right here. Swing high to swing low. That's going to give me a 3D2 right at 78.28. If I take an ABCD pattern of this move, there we go. That's the right tool. Where is that going to put me? Well, that ABCD pattern is going to put me right at 78.28. If I take a Fibonacci extension from my A leg to my B leg and back down, that's 127 extension is going to put me right at 78.26. And lastly, because I like to get fancy, I'm going to take a Fibonacci extension and invert it. And you can see that 1618 is going to put me right at 78.29. So I have a nice little kill zone here, which you can already see lines up at my structure level between 178.29 and 178.26. You can really say 178.32 and 178.25. Either way you look at it, there's a nice kill zone in here for traders to get short and hop on this trend to the downside.